I got distracted. Maybe. Bam, bam, ba, da, da, dun, dun. 1, 2. Shoot, wait. Oh, it's working. Okay, we're good. I think we're good. I think we're okay. Yeah, we're good. High life. What up, 3? What's with the 3? What does 3 mean? Am I in trouble? Joy of travel, what it? How's everybody doing? Are we all ready? High life, nice to know that what I thought this morning would have worked out beautifully. Oh well. Would have been a really good trade. It's fine. Some guy, what? Happy Monday. How was your weekend, some guy? 1, 2. Oh, my bad. Hope everyone's having a good. I'm sorry. Joy of travel. You know what? I cannot complain. No complaints from me, which is good. Because normally I'm complaining all the time, as you guys know. Full of complaints, but not today. Today's been good. I went to go see the horses, having a good old time. Now let's get this party started. Well, hopefully. Let's see. Asia High was taken there. I got in at London Low. Am I not just so happy about that? Anyways, here's London Low. And we are creating everything now. There's no news or anything today, right? Does anyone know? News? No news? To meow. Cool. Level sorted, don't mind me. Now, we wait and see what New York brings. Hopefully New York brings some good things. Hey Jose, what's up? A little bit red, but it's okay. How was London? I'm the trader, you're here alone, although you blocked me, did I? I'm sorry. Oh, I don't think I blocked you. Maybe David blocked you. David is trigger happy chappy. Hey Raj, how's it going? Bob, how you doing? How you doing? That's good to hear. Yep. Are we ready to do this? Sorry, I was sorting things out really slowly and painfully, but I was sorting things out. I had indeed a little loss this morning. But it's okay. It's fine. I got in there. Pity. Oh well. We now move on to the New York session. I must just be more... How do I put this? Strict? Strict. Strict. Let's just be more strict with the trades I take. Especially now. Because the price action is a tad bit slow. Just itty bitty little bit. But it's okay. How was everyone's weekend? Did everyone sleep well? Is everyone ready for this? Is anyone else trading? Yes, no? Oh damn, everyone's gone quiet. Is everyone good? Oh, there we go. Professor Quantum. What's up? How you doing? How goes it? I'm just chilling until 4:30. Well, 9, I guess. But let's use EST time. I'm just gonna chill. What's my strategy? So I use a GAN box. You're doing well for a Monday. A Monday's normally bad for you, Bob? Like, do you mean trading-wise you're doing well for a Monday? Oh, sorry, Professor Quantum. So I use a GAN box, but I incorporate some ICT and SMC confluences. But theoretically, it's market auction theory. Hello, Gwen. How's it going? Hey, I'm assuming that's supposed to be D's, but I'm gonna call you Dez. What's up? Jose, did I figure out strategy for range? No. I have not. I guess when it's rangy, just sit and wait for it to come into a higher time frame point of interest. That appears to work quite well. And then just have a larger trade. It might take a little bit longer, but range-wise, nah, not great. No, it opens up at 9:30. Showing us how you get your sniper entries. I wouldn't say I have a sniper entry. Would I have be called a sniper entry? I don't think I have a sniper entry, to be fair. Sorry. Ayo, Upman, what's up? How was my weekend? Well, I mean, I mostly slept, so I guess pretty good. Yeah. Hey, Zubair, how's it going? Nice to see you guys too. Are you guys still my entries? Well, I said here, I had a loss there, unfortunately. But if I'd used the higher time frame, if I was a little bit better with regards to my entries, it would have looked like this. So literally, entry would have been at the 0.5 level. Again, this is market auction theory coming into play here. Stop loss at 0.2 and TP around that 1.1 level. So this essentially would have been the trade. Oh my gosh, it's going so slow. Okay, but you get the idea. Literally would have entered beautifully there. And it would have been a freaking awesome trade, actually. Oh well. It is what it is. You get the idea. So range-wise, this would have missed me unless I used a smaller range. But would I have used that smaller range? Probably not. If I'd used the super small range, this would have been a good entry here. But would I have used the super small range? Again, probably not. There would have been the entry. I would have probably be looking for this entry though. So as you can see, that's very far away. So the smaller range would have been it. So if it's running away in general, the smaller range is the way to go. But you don't always know that it's running away. Because even here, there. Oh, would have missed. So now you follow it higher. Let's see what this does. I'm not going to, you know, place this trade because we have 6 minutes to go until open, but still. Anyways, how was the beer run? Some guy, oh my goodness, did I struggle. I didn't even end up running. I walked because again, I was struggling. I woke up with a headache from the 24-hour stream. Also, I'm not like a super big drinker, so it was a bit of a struggle. Needless to say, I still have like 2 beers that I didn't even, I kind of put them in a bag and I was like, yeah, we're good. But it was fun. It was lots of fun. Tari 677. Are you trying to say 6-7 and you just butchered that, or are you trying to say something about 677? Mirror, what's up? Can I go check out gold? I could try. James, no. What's that? Professor Quantum, I trade the Nasdaq futures. Everyone wants to analyze you. No. Krishna, I feel like that's a bad thing. Some guys, so I mean, I went to bed at like, say half past 12:01. I woke up at like 9 a.m. And then in the middle of the day, I had like another 2-hour nap. And then Sunday, because now it was beer run and I went to bed at like, again, 1 in the freaking morning. I then, yeah. And then slept like the whole day yesterday. But I'm good now. So that's all that's important. And I went and saw the horses now, so that was nice. I missed them. Do I think Bitcoin crash is coming? Well, some guy says yes, so. Bitcoin will crash 10k before reaching 1 million. Some guy, do you agree with that? You're planning to buy gold at 4380. Farman, I'll have to go and have a look-see. Also, I am on futures, so it might be different levels. And are you planning to buy for a scalp or invest? Bitcoin never gonna reach 1 mil. Damn, High Life, you don't think so? Again, Krista, no. That seems like something that's bad. If it's the crashes to 10k, I'll sell my kidneys so I could buy more. I'll be buying irresponsibly below 40k. You know what? Why not? Hey, look at this. Wicked in. And now going beautifully. Damn. I mean, super risky, but damn, what the heck, man? 2 minutes to go. What even was that? Why would that have been so perfect? What the hell? That literally would have been a perfect trade. That feels rude. That feels kind of disrespectful, but whatever. I don't even want to trade anymore. That was so mean. Hey! Anil? You're new to the channel? Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Very possible that it could also some point in the future if the US goes into hyperinflation. Gold would also rocket. Because it falls through digital. Buy it for holding QRR. Scarcity aspect is going to make Bitcoin go up. Namaste. How's it going? Ah, Jonathan David, that was terrible. Well, I mean, who stole your heart? Don't sound like you're from the US. I need to see your passport. Louis, I'm not from the US. You are correct. I am South African. Probably will ban Bitcoin. Who knows? Ooh, High Life. That's interesting. I don't think they'll let something they can't regulate. Antonio. Oh, this just got real political real quick. Jonathan, did I? Oh, damn, oh my goodness. Well, it would have been a win before I freaking dipped down, that's for damn certain. Okay, well, here's the open. A proper pullback. Let me check this quick sticks. If this does work, hear me out, I will be kinda shocked. But this is either gonna be a continuation or reversal now. Let's see. It's like midway through. It has a little bit further to go. was just joking, but I wasn't expecting that. Hey, hey, where did you think I was from? No one can know the future. I left 2 million years on speculation. That's a fact. Yeah, Jonathan, I'm from South Africa. You trade in Bitcoin. No, Ashish, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Welcome, though. What? You're from Zim? That is so cool. Welcome, welcome. How's Zim life treating you? Stop seeking guarantee Bitcoin to hit 1 million. Simple math. I don't think anything in life is guaranteed. Sorry, I'm trying to be like a little bit neutral over here, but I don't think. Hey. Well, that would have been rather nice. Interesting. Okay. I was gonna say I'm not hating this volatility, but we're still just kind of going sideways for now. Ooh, I mean, ES is pumping. ES is a lot stronger than NQ right now. Hey, Fluffy Kitten. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. People still buying and holding in black market transactions being done in history. Yo, Chris, what up? How's it going? Jonathan, why? Why should I not come that side? That sounds terrifying. Tyree, 8-9. Had nothing to do with ICT money is irrelevant against what leaders just have an exchange. Hey, Fluffy Kitten, what up? WZ to the chat, Othman. What does that mean? So it would have been a win before a little dump. Cool. 3, here's 4. Whoa. So not continuation then. Well, okay, no. Let's not start speculating things. Is this the first presented? Maybe. Holy cow. Okay then. Damn, NQ, calm down. What is this? Holy FU candle right there. Whoa. Little tap into there. Gonna tap into VWAP quick sticks. Just gonna continue lower. Wow. Okay. Are you serious? Jonathan and David? What? What makes you say that? What are those graphs? Hey, Tommies, well, this is the Nasdaq future. What up? Right now, it's ridiculous. Just a correction. Chris, you think this is a huge correction? Are you I haven't even been trading for a year yet. Getting them late longs. Ooh. Jonathan, number 1 would be find yourself a decent strategy that makes sense to you. That's number 1. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna confuse everyone's brain for a second. I'm so sorry. I apologize. There's gonna be... I'm gonna hurt people's eyes. Okay. I've got the 5-minute, the first presented, and my bob levels. Cool. Just cool. Waiting for a little bit of a pullback, and then this could actually be a really decent short. Feel like I need some, wait. I'm only doing 2, which is maybe a mistake. Just took out London low. It could retrace a little bit further, but I have... Let me check out ES quick sticks. Inverse fair value gap on the ES. However, looks like it's already tapped into it. Sorry! Focusing. It is huge, Bob. What does that then mean? Is that a good or bad thing? Hey Abdul, what game is this? This is trading. If the move is true, it will continue in 25 minutes. All the digital currency stuff is going in one direction. There's a reason stocks on site. Remember, there is a gap. Joy of travel. What, on a higher time frame? Wait, let's actually check that. Okay, higher time frames. Let's go. It's a 5-minute. I mean, there's Asia low and there's new weekly opening gap over here. I wonder if it wants to tap back into the new weekly opening gap. Ooh, it could potentially. Or it could want the continuation. Let's see. 15-minute. Okay, wait, give me a second. Let's hide everything. I mean, we took out a boatload of liquidity now. Maybe it wants to go into this gap, so if it does retrace. Are we headed for the NWOG? Possibly. Oh, I think it's slowly going down. Don't think it's gonna come get me. Oh, sugar honey iced. We're back into this freaking fair value gap. It's been respecting the heck out of this one. Is this the Asia low? It is too. Okay. Okay, what does it look like on ES? Only took out some there now. Sell side's definitely stronger on NQ. Okay. I'm not actually too much informed about cryptocurrencies, but I know everything international. Hey Nexus, how's it going? Hi, life. Hey Jay, how's it going? Liquidity sweep and retest. I have my confluences. If they don't work, then it's not because I didn't wait for... Maybe I'm trying to get in a little bit early on this, but I did check everything. I had my confluences. So if it doesn't work out, it's fine. thanks, Nexus. Well, let's see, right? Let's see if it even gets tagged. It might not even tag me, and then I guess it is what it is. Hey, Tamesh, what's up? Selling High Life. I'm looking, I got my sell limit ready and set. I think at least it's gonna go down to Asia low. But now it kind of looks like it's not gonna get me. But I have my limit sell set, or sell limit, whatever you want to call it. Hey, crypto. Hey, Sir Bill. Oh, great. I'm going against Sir Bill. Time user out. We can have different opinions and discussion then, but there's no need to be rude about it. Kareem, do I journal every trade I take? I try to. I journaled it in the Discord. Try to, again, being the key word. I do sometimes forget. You know, things happen. Nice. I feel like I have wrong levels. 3, 2, 1. I'm close. A little bit lower. Oh, we're going further down. Oh no. Okay, if it takes out Asia lows, I'm out. Because then I think it could pop up. Man. This could have a quick shoot down for Asia low before continuation back up. Hey, go have fun. What's up? How's it going? I took his advice and asked ChatGPT. I said Bitcoin is for suckers. Oh, that's hilarious, Rockstar. Okay, anyways, Rockstar, no, that's pretty funny. People easily get heated online. They really do? Damn, sometimes I look and I'm like, sure. Yeah. Super duper easy for people to get heated. I'm going against what a lot of people have, which obviously is not great, but I have my things, so I'm sticking with them. If it doesn't work out, I guess it doesn't work out. And if it does, awesome. But I'm definitely going against what a lot of people have said, so let's see what happens. What do I think about New York session? Othman? Like for now? Right now? Are you asking like bias-wise? Are you asking price action-wise? What's the question? What about it? Rockstar, it is the most bullish asset in history, but it's not for everyone. Hey, yo, Steve, what's up? Steve 2000 Irwin. Interesting. How's the open? I mean, pretty decent price action. Well, pretty hectic drop. Let's put it that way. If you check out the first 5 minute candle, it's, how big is this? Oh my goodness. Stop it. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Stop that. There we go. I mean, nearly 100 points is the 5 minute freaking candle. There we go. I eventually got there. It took a while, but we're winning. Ooh, do you know what I have not done? Hey, Real Fantasy, what's up? I forgot to do this again. I'm so sorry. Hey, David G, what's up? How you doing, man? Sorry, I'm gonna reply to. Oh, there's a little Perry Bean in the house. Are you gonna come say hi? No ways. Periwinkle's gonna come say hi. You're looking all shy. Oh, what a big little snort you made there. He wants to say hi. No? Oh, he's so shy. He is so shy. I don't know why. Graham Trades, what's up? How's it going? And Only True Trader, hi. Oh, AJ, you're so sweet. David G, I had a loss this morning. This consolidation's not great. It's making me think we're gonna have a proper spike back up. But I have my confluences, so I'm sticking with them. Maybe it's a mistake. Again, I've mitigated the risk by quite a bit. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It is what it is. Ernie True Trader, you're amazing. You were so sweet. Oh, mad shout out. OTT. Ash, you are so cool. I'm at 3.5 today, but give it another 45 minutes. Ooh, damn, Steve, nice. Pulp Fiction, are you asking me my Christmas plans? I'm gonna go see my one gran on Christmas Eve, and then the other gran and cousins and aunt and uncle on Christmas Day, and then coming back home on Boxing Day. And that's kind of it. Nothing super special, which I'm kind of fine with. Sri, what's my Insta ID? Teach Maya Trading. Unbelievable. How does he know you're streaming? He just knows everything. He's so clever. Hey, memes and 10. What's up? How's it? How goes it? You're Brit? No, I'm not. I'm South African. Gomez? Shy because you don't call him a chicken nugget. Must I call him chicken nugget? I will so happily call him chicken nugget. Chicken nugget? Chicken nugget. And he's not even responding. Okay, well, tapped in. Let me not get overly excited again. Let's set this and go from there. Ooh, okay, damn. Basically at the 5-minute close here is where it's at 1-to-1. Let me just place one here and sit and wait. Like I said, either this is going to work beautifully or it's just going to shoot on through. I don't want to be too greedy, so I'm going to put the second one for there. Yeah, I'm not going to be greedy, especially because Asia Low is right there. It could wick down a little bit lower. Maybe tap into the bob level. But let's not push our luck right now. Especially because it is consolidating a little bit right now. Let's zoom in. It's very nice doji it's made on ES though, so that's... Are you okay, buddy? Hey Thomas, what's up? Sorry, the kids are coming to swim. So they're saying hi to Perry. Oh, Herda, no! What happened? How did you blow your funded account? Speaking of showing support, oh yeah, guys, please don't forget to like the stream. Let's do this thing. David G, can we see your dog? Oh, have you not seen him? Chicken Nug. Chicken Nug. Thomas, how's it going? How was your sleep? Yeah, you're selling around the same area. It took longs when we were trending up. Chris, yeah, I'm shorting to basically Asia Low. My bias is actually bullish, believe it or not, but I think it wants to take out Asia Low before it goes further. I Could be wrong. Give me a second. Kids are saying hi. Shame. They just wanted to tell me that they're gonna go swimming. I was like, okay. Got my— No, Bob, don't do that. Uh-oh. Oh, guys, you're making me scared. It's probably just the monkey. It's not. Maya just took a short position. Maya think. It's not respecting the first presented like I wanted it to, so this is probably gonna be a loss, but... Oh well, let's see what happens. Like I said, if it's a loss, it's a loss. If it's not, cool. If it is, cool. It sounds like I'm going... Whoopsie. Sounds like I'm going against what a lot of people have done. That's alright, she got her stop set this time. Yeah, exactly, I'm not making that mistake again. Why no boring? Monster Mom, I know. I wanted it to go take out the Asia low before continuing to the buy side. Woof. Come. Wait, he's here. He's here. Chicken nugget, people say I need to call you chicken nugget. Are you a chicken nugget? Are you a chicken nugget? He's a chicken nugget. What's up? Hello. I can't check right now, but did we take Asia on ES? I don't think so. Wing. Good grief. Big scary god. All my things are set. No, we have not taken Asia on ES. Nah, we have not. Ass! Oh, loud. Oh, loud. Stop that. Oh, goodness. You have to do that right here. Right here. Come here. You're being a chicken nugget. Yeah. People. Tell him real good. But you're right. If he doesn't, how will they know? That is literally at the stable yard. He is basically the law enforcer. Don't rely on luck in trading. Not. I don't think I am. Maybe I am. I don't know. No, I'm going off of my confluences and things. Like I said, I've set this one. I know it's kind of going against the bias, but I liked all the confluences it gave me. So if it doesn't work, it is what it is. You know what I did forget to look at? The damn freaking time. Shoot. It might come get me in a few minutes. Oh, hey, Richie man, what's up? Only true trader, stop it. Is you rich? No. You are not. I am not rich. Please don't come here hoping for signals. You guys will not do great if you do that. I'm just saying. I'm just putting it out there. Oh no. You know, evidence number one. Oh, it broke past that. Oh no. Well, this is not looking promising. It's just not my day. I feel like, oh well. It is what it is. Wilson, what's your average income per year, per month? Can you share? Wilson, I'm not profitable yet. Zillion a year. There we go. I know. These signals are something else. Dang. What would you guys do without me? Can I just say, do I have permission to go na if it goes back down now? I don't think it will. This is not looking promising. Like Bob said, uh-oh, indeed, but yeah. It's fine. Bob, did you actually put a copy trade in? I know, sorry, some guy. Sorry, guys. Could clutch down, kinda. What do you mean? Oh, what do you mean, kinda? What do you mean, kinda? Did I pay my tariffs? What's the matter? Big woof. I now actually can't move my chair because Perry lay down right there, so here we are. This is just how far away from the screen I have to be now. Don't be sorry, just wasn't sure. Oh, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, if anyone still wants to support, you can. There's still, like, give Perry a treat online. I could still do that. Perry, do you want more treats? I don't think he'll ever say no to more treats. Just saying. Can never go wrong with Maya signal. Well, apparently this morning it was do the opposite of what Maya does. So, you know, I guess you could. Proud American, what are my thoughts on the silver market? I haven't really looked, but apparently they've just been skyrocketing. Go have fun, you being rockstar and trading. New here, what platform is this? Hey, David Gray. Damn, there's so many Davids. I'm on Project X using Top 1 futures. Three minutes to go until 10. Let's see what 10 brings. This might come get me out. Have you still got the pull option? Yes, some guy, I do. Monster Mob, RIP. It's not RIP yet. It's not over until it's over. It's headed towards being over. Don't get me wrong. Yeah, don't get me wrong, but still. Wow, Monster Mob. Yes, Perry is the name of my dog. Gotta be removing that. I want to be the only one with the power. That is hilarious. Hey, Wesley G. Well, Monster Mob says stop loss 100%. So, again, we have some contradicting thoughts, okay? 2 minutes to go till 10. Yeah, let's see what happens. Oh, Krishna, you're so sweet. I lost my money because of copy trading. I don't recommend it. Yeah, please don't, guys. Please don't. Please don't. I'm still new. I'm still figuring things out. I definitely make mistakes quite often. Please don't copy trade me. Just putting it out there. The future markets for silver is 19 to 1 for every 1 ounce of silver. There's a 19 paper certificates for that 1 ounce. Heavily manipulated. Damn. What was it? Oh yeah, David Gray. So it's Project X, but it is going to be shut down soon. So I'll probably be moving over to TradingView very soon. But TradingView is the more common one. Project X is not, I don't want to say it's not allowed anymore. They are closing their people. No. Anyways, yeah. So it won't be that for much longer. 24-hour stream was the start of my villain arc, and yes, it was. Yes, it was. Hey, Bill, what's up? High risk trade. Crazy Bulls? You think so? Why? Exactly, only true trader. +1, learn to fish. Crazy Bulls, the thought behind it is that Asia Low is right there. I have my 3 confluences. I had the first presented, I had VWAP, I had this, well, again, the first presented fair value gap, and I had a shelf, quote unquote, shelf to protect the trade. Doesn't always mean it's going to be 100%, but that was the thought, and like I said, Asia Low was right there. David Gray, you are welcome. Small caps moving. Steve? Yeah, they're gonna give it to you. I don't know. Well, it swept London low on NQ and didn't sweep on, yeah, so that's SMT. So crazy bulls, you think most likely it'll keep going up? Let's see. Steve, you agree with which one? Oh, it is bouncing back in this bob level, so it could push back up unless it breaks below. If it breaks below the 5 minute, I think we're good to go. At least for that. To be fair, it was a 1 minute, a structure flip bearish, and a retest of that previous low. But 1 minute does not want to be reliant on. Yep, oh, it's still respecting this bob level. Respecting the hell out of this bob level. 2 minutes past, time to see if the move is true. Right, Chris? Again, the 50-minute chart, that large bearish candle could be a measuring move down. Oh, interesting, Rolf. Again, the different thoughts. I'll go short if it breaks the... Oh, no, it respected the bob level pretty well. I'm still just gonna sit on my hands. Everything respects bob. It really does. It's ridiculous. 15 minute, 9:30. Oh, the 15 minute. I got the 5 minute marked out, not the 15 minute. 15 minute is this one, right? Yeah, I'm assuming it's this one. Jill, you asking how you find a fair value gap? Bull, what's up? Once more, looks like a fake bounce. Let's see. Hey Jules, what's up? How's it going? Did you sleep really well the other day? You just skipped my question. Oh, Amanchu, I'm sorry, I didn't even see it. What did you ask? I literally didn't see it. What did you ask? Oh, where can I learn the ICT concept? My bad. Online? Yeah? YouTube? No? Yes? Maybe? Ah, Gurmeet? Hi. Do I have what, Mr. T? Aw, thanks, David G. You're so sweet. From whom? Oh, Inner Circle Trader himself. Himanshu? I mean, there's a few people that actually do his work, so I guess it's... Like, do you want the strict ICT stuff, or do you want... Like, I loosely use his concepts. So I'm not, like, strict ICT trader, but there are some super strict ICT traders, so it depends on what you want. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, give me a second. I will win at this point. Ah, Monster Marvin, you were saying 100% it would hit. Okay, give me 2 seconds. I have to show you guys something. I'm watching this. I still can't move, so I'm watching this. How cute. I mean, he's terrified of Perry, but hi. And you just scratched the living daylights out of me. Hi, sweetie. He's a kitten. Hi. Oh, he's so scared. He was busy eating Perry's food. I'm seeing uptrends today in most sectors. Yeah, Steve. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, I had to show you guys this. Because he is so cute. Say hi. Hi and bye. Oh, baby. Suja, what's up? New techniques created. Okay, it still hasn't broken what I wanted to. Okay, let me go, shame. Oh no, that's not great. I smell like a cat now. That thing does not want to be held. You know what? I don't blame it. It even scratched my shirt. How disappointing. Oh well. Did he scratch me? No, not really. Oh, he did. Oh, he got me between my fingers. Ah, that's like worse than a freaking paper cut. I don't know if you can see. He got me there. Oh, man. Little pest. Oh well. Perry was about to add to your position. Okay, well, it's respecting, just not as much as I would have wanted it to. It didn't quite hit that 1-to-1 level either. Okay, let's see what happens. But yeah, literally, it's okay. Shame, to be fair, he was eating my dog's food. Not yet, Sean. No, it's not break even yet. I know it could come back up and screw me, but I have my rules and I stick to my rules no matter what. And the rules right now are if it hits 1-to-1, I mitigate my risk by half. Yeah, I know, Bob. I'm hoping for that. I don't know if it will though. Oh, sorry, Adil. Fair value gap. Can I show you when this trade is done? Is that possible? But essentially, it's an imbalance. So you need 3 candles, and the 3rd candle needs a gap. Like, that's the super sweet and simple way of explaining what a fair value gap is. But I will, yes. As soon as we're out of the trade, or if whatever way this trade gets taken, I'll show you then. That cat Loki stank. Now I feel gross. And because it cut me between my fingers. Anyways. Hello, Saga, what's up? It'll please teach you what the fair value gap. And now I see short and later long. Ooh. Cool. I mean, I would have liked it to have moved a little bit quicker, but I guess it is what it is. A dip in the pool would help you, but now it's not the time. Oh, some guy, you are waiting for like a perfect opportunity to do this. Yeah, a little bit. I'm in the middle of a trade though. My cat loves my dog's dry food. It's so weird. Yet they won't eat their own food. I really wouldn't mind getting a kitten. And then it can grow up with Perry, so then Perry won't freak it out. I am unbelievably patient. Some guy, I'm not gonna lie, that low-key terrifies me. If it's trading within the 15-30 minute candle, I won't trade. Why not? Crazy builds. Then what's your strategy? There we go. Steve, stick with rules, yeah. Where did I learn SMC from? Well, sweet and simply, a friend actually taught me the basics of it. The rest was from this amazing community and online. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Mitigate risk by half. It's around half, eh? Yeah. Okay, mitigate risk by half. Let's see if it closes below the 5 minute. It kind of is now. Here we go. Thank you. Line, will you go big? Maybe drag the position indicator. This. Oh, no, LP, this was just purely for 1-to-1. Now I can go there. But yeah, that was purely just to go, there's my 1-to-1 level. Now I mitigate risk by half. And once I've paid the duck, then I go break even. I just add it to my position. Krishna, you are welcome. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm sticking with my rules. Not a strategy. That's how the market moves. Ah, there we go, Jules. Valid. But SMC incorporated the community as a technique for it. Jules, actually, that kind of makes sense. My strategy is built on discipline, patience is a must. Yeah, basically, Thomas. And then when it breaks, I let go and wait for it to go back up, then look for fair value gap going down. Huh. Ah! There we go. Well, it is now there. There. That was... Well, this is the trade. When I have paid the duck, I will move it to break even. Or if I pay the duck. Let's not get cocky. I only do silver. Gold only up now. Interesting. Bob, I was thinking that. Too much free time. Oh yeah, sorry. It's a little bit of an inside joke with the paid the duck situation. Yeah, a little bit of an inside joke, but essentially, one day I called Rip, one of the viewers, a lucky duck. And ever since then, it's a thing, essentially partials, is you pay the duck so that no matter what, even if it then goes back up, it's a win. In this zone, we can see pullback. Well, again, I don't... Bob, part of me wants to not be greedy, but it makes lots of sense for it to go down to the Bob level, so I'm going to do that. Either way, then, I've paid the duck at the 1-to-1. It takes the Asia low and it goes back down with the force, then we're good. Little kitty cat. Anyways. Hello, maybe you should get used to paying the duck. Bullish order block is the new low. I hear you. It's never really worked out as well doing that though. Yep, no pressure, Bob. No pressure. We are trusting the Bob levels here. No pressure, just saying. Just saying. Little freeloader always down the pond dripping. I wonder how much of that I paid for. You know what, some guy? That is so valid. Little duck is eating off my dime. It's ridiculous. How much am I in for? Oh, not that much. Maybe $200. If it goes there. If being the keyword. Maybe it pops back up now and it's a problem, but yeah. Hey Sean, what's up? respect the 5-minute orb as well, please. Like, I really want to go wash my hands, but I want to pay the duck first before I go and do that. Oh, it has taken out the low on ES. Which does mean ES is a little bit stronger now. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens. Hey GX, what the? How's it going? Hello? Hi. Mention I'm Zone Maya. 2650. Let's see, we are trusting Bob levels. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, Thomas, what were you saying about yeah. Basically, what were you saying about potentially having water block there? It yes took it. British? Heyo, what's up? So ES took it, let's see what happens. I'll see what did I just read? That threw me for a little bit of a loop. That took me a little bit by surprise. What the heck, man? Oh, British, you're so sweet. I'd like 2 trades with whole month. I'm getting back to it in... Oh, nice, Jax. Are you taking a bit of a break? That's valid, though. I know a lot of people are. Because the price action's not great. But it is what it is. Some guy apparently just, damn. Feels good something. Yeah. Yeah, that was something I didn't really want to be reading. But here we are, and I guess if I had to read it, you guys had to read and suffer with me. That song's not gonna be stuck in my head. So good! Bam, bam, so good! Bam, I got you! Bam, 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 bam! Oh no. Yeah, I'm taking a break. Oh, I mean, GX, good idea. Hey Rip, what's up? How's it going? Well, maybe not. I haven't paid the duck yet. And now it looks like it's coming back up, but I'm sticking with my rules. It's hands off. I mitigated my risk by half. I haven't moved it to break even because I haven't paid the duck yet. So it's just hands off now. Let's see what happens. Oh, cheers, GX. Enjoy. But hey, Rip, what's up? How goes it? How goes everything? I get more Rip time. Rip was even here this morning. I feel very special right now. All the Rip time. As your time hit ICT monitor, you're showing SMT, you're not comfortable holding it here. So closed it. Yes, takes your first TP, close your first TP and go break even. It's only a couple of ticks away. Arbitrage opportunity non-existent due to high frequency trades. Hey, Mr. Is it Mr. Popo? This is the Nasdaq futures. I hear what you're saying about if it's taken it on ES, then potentially go break even. That's interesting. It's something I haven't looked into. Again, though, I haven't looked into it. This This does low-key look like a W like shape forming. Hope you guys are not stressing out on this price action too much. I mean, no, Mr. Popo, go for it. Sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I think I answered that. I'm not actually sure now. Did I answer that? I think I answered that. Sorry. Hey, Snap Trader. How's my pipful week? That SMC would potentially invalidate your trade idea. Yeah, some guy, that does make sense. Okay, so if it's taken it on ES, I will move things to break even. I like that. That's valid. Then no matter what, even if the duck hasn't been paid, it's still quote unquote safe. Because like you said, some guy, it may have then invalidated everything. Okay, so I like that idea. If it hasn't validated it, rather go to break even, because it's a very high possibility that it could come back up. Except for the, oh, it's fine. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Let's see. Whatever happens now, happens now. That a candle not marked out. I get to experiment if I'm null, but have that marked out. Okay, so wait. Have that and oh, good greatness. That's gonna be a lot of blocks, but here we go. Is it a lot of blocks? Is that? There we go. Here's the 930. This is the 930. Oh, I see it tapped into the 930 as well. Damn. But 930 first presented. It's definitely closed below, Rip. There's no doubt about it being closed below the 930. Just saying. Price rejected perfectly out that 930 candle. I see that. Perfectly off that 930. Which means the lows are even more probable. Correct? Hey, Toomlo underscore. Anyways, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, not pairs. What's up? If its flag is probably due to one more swing before a break lower. Go have fun. No, I actually had a little bit of a red trade earlier. And maybe this is gonna come take me out again. Let's see. Either way, this won't be a loss. Let's see what happens. That's all I'm saying. Let's see what happens. I'm low-key sitting on my hands now. Swing before break lower. It's Tumelo? Oh, that is hilarious. I'm so sorry, Tumelo. Oh my gosh. I am so sorry. I saw like underscore and I was like, ah, okay, so maybe it was just that? I'm so sorry. Alright, I'll have to take Elf out. Oh, cheers, some guy. Enjoy. I hope you guys have an amazing time. I'm so sorry, Tumelo. Oh my goodness. What ticket am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Hey Paul, what's up? Next time when you guys take your first EV, you should take your first EV right away. Yeah. Let's wait and see. Okay, I hear what you're saying. I need to test that a little bit. Let's see if this works. if it took that low of Nasdaq, then it would have held till in work. Hi, new week. Yep. So now you guys aren't so sure if this is going to continue lower. That's kind of the vibe I'm getting. You guys seem a little bit uncertain. Did close below, I don't know. I think it's still holding out before another drop down. Damn, Paul. Hey, Mr. Davids. How you doing? There's so many Davids. Is that weird? I feel like that could be weird. See, now I also don't know. Should I pay the duck here? Should I move my pay the duck a little bit? To this low. Sorry, I'm low-key forward testing. Because either way, it's a safe trade. So, do I forward test a little bit? Do I pay the duck a little bit higher now? At this low, so if it does break. Or do I just stick with the original plan? Follow the plan. Okay, no, follow the plan. You're correct. Follow the plan. Follow the plan. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Oh, thanks, Crazy Build. I appreciate that. Crazy Build, how long have you been trading for? 545. 545? Rolf, you think that's how far down it's going? Oh, Paul, you're so sweet. What is she selling? Oh, Josh, did someone say snake oil saleswoman? Apparently snake oil. That sounds very cruel to snakes though, so no, I wouldn't do that. Poor snakes, what did they do? I'll move the stop loss to the latest high. Nah, I won't do that. Who knows, maybe it might still sink. 1050 M New York time macro. Wait, can I get some of that snake? Honestly, good question. Just want to know when I became a snake oil sales girl. Very interesting. I didn't know I was qualified to do that. Okay. Anyway, 3 years. I just became profitable and it's by not taking a lot. Oh, interesting, Crazy Builds. To be fair, I don't actually take a lot of trades anymore. I used to take a lot of trades. The strategy here used to be a 40% win rate. It's now a 63% win rate. Yeah. Oh, thanks, Paul. Way to draw liquidity, that makes sense for a new low. We just want to see a higher plus inverse fair value gap with strong displacement. Yeah. Like I said, I'm just kind of sitting on my hands. Well, kind of, you know, figuratively. Sitting on my hands. Oh, I wanted to go wash my hands. Now that the cat got me. Little brat. Crazy, I take like 3 a month. Like, wait, are you doing more like swing trading? Or you're in here pushing lipstick products on a trading channel? I might have questions. Right? Right? Also, because, you know, there's not a lot of female traders. I mean, you never know. Maybe you guys really like lipstick. Do you guys want some lipstick? I know absolutely nothing about lipstick and those products, but I mean, sure, if you guys really want some lipstick, I can... Anyways, hey Marty, what's up? Sorry, you came at a very weird time. I did ICT and break of structure a lot, didn't get anywhere, but now I use 5 minute, 15 minute candles, show me where market is going. Interesting. Ayo, Nox, well, let's see, bud. Let's see. Maybe, maybe not. We sits and we waits. Marty? Spy 267 gamer. Yeah, pick. No day trading. Oh, okay, so. Whoa, you do day trading? But I'm assuming you're then very specific, correct? About the trades you take? Yes? Affiliate links for lipstick will be added soon. That is amazing. Maybe you guys really like lipstick. Was more of a makeup girl, I might say screw it, but anyways. Marty? No, sorry. I feel like I'm taking LSD every time I come on the stream. That is hilarious. Get it? Hilarious? No? Okay. Hey! Okay, I paid the duck, guys. The duck has been paid. Whoop whoop. That is so funny. Yep, now no pressure, Bob. Let's see. Now I can move this a little bit more. I'll move it there, and now it's hands off. Let's see. No pressure, Bob. But yes, we have... The duck has been paid. Rip. Hey, thanks, guys. Yes, whoop whoop. Getting there. Deepak, what time is it? Like where I am or on the markets? Because on the markets it is 10:32 a.m. In South Africa it's 5:32 p.m. It's the RV. Symbol as a long play and 2675. Come on, you wicked wicks. Stop is wrong. Did I move it too far low? Too far down? Should I just leave it at break even? Sorry. Sorry, Rip. Is that better? Sorry. Oh shoot, that's what you mean. My bad. Yes, my B. Thank you. That's valid. That is valid. That would have been bad. Okay. Beyond board. Marty, what are you going on about? Hey Deepak, I trade the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the chaos, as I like to say, because it's pretty chaotic, I'm not gonna lie. Yep, thank you, Rip. There you are, my lucky duck. What would I do without you? Often scalping, day trading, or swing, which is... I mean, scalping and day trading are pretty... Background white, absolutely not, sorry. Sorry, BotX, that might sound rude, but I really prefer the dark mode. I don't like the white background, sorry. But scalping, day trading, or swing, which is better? Often, well, scalping and day trading are kind of the same thing. So I guess you mean swing trading or investing. I really think it depends on the person and their personality and just what works better for them. A lot would argue that probably swing trading and investing are better than day trading. However, I know a lot of really successful swing or day traders, sorry, scalpers. Again, I think it's just personality. Deepak, I am from South Africa. How did you know? Just formed a bullish rejection block. Yes, we need to trade under it to push lower. I'm an angel. You are, Rip. You are. You're my little lucky duck angel. Professor Quantum. Do I hold my trade? Well, I mean, I hold them until they take profit, if that's what you mean. Because then, yes, I hold my trades. Whoop, okay. Asia low has been taken. Let's see how it works with the Bob level. No pressure to Bob. Hey, Rebel, you're back. Swing and snap plus on that. Let's go to 650. Dumb, I got it for 645. Let's see. Big push through. Let's see, I'm gonna be out there. So I low-key technically have a little bit of a runner, because technically full TP should have been taken there. Let's see, but we're trusting the Bob levels a little bit. Here we go. I mean, technically a good place would go to the top of the NWOG, which is here at 635. Whoop whoop. Awesome sauce. Okay. And just like that, people, we are up $225 for today. And tapped into NWOG. Awesome sauce. Hey, 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 guys. Which was pretty cool. We ball indeed. Whoop. And everyone was being so negative. Where's Monster Mob saying that? Wait. Do I not get to go nah to people? Because everyone was being so negative about this trade. Damn. Literally, everyone was hating on this. Damn, Thomas, I went kind of big. How big did you go, Bob? Bob, how big did you go? Deepak, I am. I just won. Merry Christmas. Nuts. I love it. Yes, for 2 seasons. Oh yeah. Professor Quantum, I am. I'm live every day for both London and New York Open. Thank you for answering for me, Thomas. Appreciate it. To make, what did I put in? I put in 2 contracts only. I theoretically should have put more contracts, but with the price action over December, I'm being a little bit on the cautious side. I'm trying to be smart with the risk management. Hollywood Touch, VWAP, and come back to your TP. Oh, sorry, Bill, thank you. It's okay to say you more than welcome to, Wesley G. You did. You called the TP. Nice. Good call. Am I using Top Step? No, I'm using Top 1 Futures. 15 micros, Bob? My balloon knot was the size of a pin. And that goes into the Bob quotes right there. How much is, I mean, you don't have to say it on stream, Bob, but I'm curious, how much are you then up just from that trade? And then I'm also assuming you're done for the day, right? And it did tap, took out Asia low and okay, he got me good there. I sold Fernandez. What's up? Oppressive Quantum. What pair the Nasdaq futures? I leave for 5 seconds and just hangs. Oh, thanks, Sean. Oh, okay. Oh no, wait. I put it in the wrong thing. I didn't put it under Bob's quotes. There we go. Bob's quotes. Okay. Okay, now it took out Asia low and it's tapped into VWAP. So now it's hands off to expect potentially a bigger. Hi, you scared the living daylights out of me. You did. You scared me properly. Oh, thanks, Rip. Again, can't stress this enough. I know I say it a lot and I probably annoy you guys, but this really is thanks to you. You guys have helped me out so much. I'm not going to take it because, like I said, it took out Asia low and now tapped into VWAP. It could have a bit of a bigger retracement or retest, whatever you want to call it. Although I am in the green after being in the red, so let's not do some risky business and potentially screw that up. As it is, this trade took... here. This was the entry at 9:51. Like 45 minutes. Where normally a trade like this would take, what, like 5 minutes on a decent price action day? Damn, this price action is something else. Oh, nice. You in the short. I got in 747 and sold 690 for $100 gain. Damn, Chris, that's amazing. Well done. Done. Seen what I wanted to see. Time for me to go. Oh, Rip. You're amazing. Thank you. Oh, am I not going to see you then tomorrow? I'm assuming. Seen what I wanted. Did you want to make sure that I was sticking to the rules? Was that it? I appreciate that. Gotta keep me in check. In check sounds bad, but in check. Okay, I'm gonna quickly wash my hands because, like I said, that kitten for some reason stank. which is weird. I don't think they should be stinking. But whatever. Wee. Okay. Let's now see what this does. Let's see what this does. Oh, thanks for the new subs, guys. Before we start losing more people, Merry Christmas to all, happy holidays to others. Oh, thanks. Yeah, 100% actually. Yeah, Thomas. For all my fellows, because I don't think a lot of people will be joining tomorrow. I'm actually not sure, but Merry Christmas to all. I will wear Christmas things tomorrow. Because we gotta celebrate Christmas. I keep forgetting that we gotta celebrate Christmas, right? Oops. I will wear my Christmas earrings and Christmas hat. I have a little unicorn Christmas hat tomorrow. I'm all for it. I also have like a little Rudolph reindeer nose. I don't know if you guys want to see that. That might annoy the living daylights out of people. But anyways. What's up, AJ? Very big issue. I love people. Can't help it. Aw, rip. You little cutesy patootsy. Sorry. Come back to say whoop whoop. That was a damn, Bob. Whoop whoop. Indeed. I don't answer. Adel, what did you ask? Do you want to know about the fair value gaps? Is that what the question is? I mean, to be fair, I heard apparently just that I interact with the chat is quite good, so I am answering. I might just be slow with it. But I do be answering. Okay, let's see how this goes. This huge push-up is making me think that maybe I made the right call to not get in on this. I had valid reason to not take this, so that's fine. Ooh! Bob, that is so close. So close. Are you gonna try and finish it tomorrow? You taking it? No, you're done for the day, right, Bob? You're done. Hey, Mary. I'm gonna call you Mary Go One. Well, it's I don't know if that's correct, but hi. How you doing? How goes it? Just you lock yourself out for today. Don't get pip drunk on the PA. This has the power to ruin everything when you least expect it. That is valid. That really, really is valid. I am being really reasonable with this, though. I like to think I'm being reasonable with this. I like to think being the keyword, you know. Am I always correct? And this huge tap into viewer. So I guess that kind of answered, is it going to be a reversal or not today? TF done for the day. 100% Bob. That is a huge whoop whoop for you. That is ridiculous. Anyone else get in on the short, by the way? Your TV is showing itself off. My TV. What do you mean? My TV? What? Ah, an infamous report. Good to be back. Hey, Geordie, what's up? How's it going? Geordie. How was Christmas shopping? Did you get everything you wanted or not really? Okay, wait, let me be right back. Let me go wash my hands after that little Kit Kat because it still feels like it stinks, which is gross and I don't think it should be stinking. But anyways, I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. I feel better. Nope. Still low-key stinks, but it's better. Dom, am I ready to TP? I've already TP'd. I don't even bother opening the charts today. What? Why not, Geordie? Also, thanks for all the new subs, by the way, guys. How are we looking for sub-wise? I won't do anything special for 9k, but I feel like we gotta do something really good for 10k, right? 10k feels like a reasonable thing to do something good with. That's just me. Oh, enjoy the rest of your day and your holidays, everyone. Take care. Bye, Rip. You're amazing. Thank you for coming to join. I really appreciate it. I don't know if I'll see you tomorrow. If I don't, have a very Merry Christmas. But I will hopefully chat to everyone on Discord still. Mr. Bale, may I know why you select these two timings for trading? 1 at noon and another 2-hour market open. Well, I like to trade the opens. So London open, because sometimes there's a little bit more volatility, and 2 hours gives it a good time to have its move, right? And same with the New York. New York open, very volatile. And the 2 hours is because around 11:30 when I call it, is like lunchtime, so that's when the market tends to calm down. There is the PM session, and sometimes the PM session is amazing, but I don't want to overtrade. So if you limit yourself to the hours, it stops you from overtrading. Basically, that's it. I know, thank heavens, Bob. So I bounced back. And I'm up. So technically this was like a 300... Oh shoot, this was like a $300 trade. Because I made back, I was down $71. I'm now up $225. So this was like a $300 trade, technically. Huh, look at that. Sitting on $11 from a loss of 50. That's not bad, Milo. That's not bad at all. What do you trade and how long have you been trading for? In other words, your trades are centered around markets opening volatility. Ah, kind of, yeah. Kind of, Mr. Bale. That sounds weird though, but yeah. Yeah, so my strategy doesn't really work too well in choppy markets. So to have a little bit more volatility works a little bit better. Can't wait for you to flip this into a funded account, then we're gonna see the sweat dripping down your forehead. Just wow. Probably. When you're right, you're right. I can't even argue with you. Dag nabbit, this would have been a nice long here. I think. Let's see, I placed the short there, but I'm not feeling it. Let's see how this would have... May have missed tagging me and that would have sucked. Let's see what hits, the long or the short. Like I said, I wasn't feeling the short purely because of the fact that it took out Asia high and Asia low and tapped into VWAP. This looks like it may have missed me by a freaking tick. Oh my goodness. Dom 650 attention. What about it? Do you think it's gonna go up from there? What about that 650 attention? Let's see, I'm low-key, yeah. I'm kind of chuffed with that. If I don't get another trade in, it's really not the end of the world, because that was awesome sauce. Whew. At least I'm back in the green. And I think I'm up the highest I've been. Did I go higher the other day? I may have been higher the other day. on my balance after the 2 wins in Asia session on Friday. But for right now, this is the highest it's been, so it's fine. Slowly but surely, like I said, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Tamilo, where you from? Tamilo, where you from, by the way? Oh, thanks, Dom. Sorry, I've been talking to myself quite a bit. I apologize. I'm so sorry. lots of chit chats to me, myself, and I. It happens quite often. I'm sorry. Really not a terrible long here after the Asia low has been taken, but again, let's see, a little bit of a pullback. Into the inverse fair value gap on ES, so it might come back down one more time. What you gonna do when you hit 10k subs? Ooh, I don't actually know. What do you guys think would be... I don't know. What do you guys think would be good at that point? Yeah, what do you guys think would be a nice thing to celebrate 10k subs? Because that's quite a biggie, right? Let's ask the group. 10k subs, we do what? If you say a giveaway, it's not as simple as that, unfortunately. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Hey, Chamelo, awesome! Another South African, welcome, welcome. There's a few of us here. So I'll then tell you South Africa time. Tomorrow I'll be on at 10 AM, so London Open, and again, same time at 4:15 PM. Again, South Africa time. If you want EST time, it's 3 AM EST time and 9:15 EST time. Augustine, I remember when you had less than that. Right, Bob? Sorry, I heard a cat crying again. I was like, if this cat has come back. Anyways. Just scratch me up real good a second freaking time. But yeah, Bob, like I said, it was you that told me that I had 100 subscribers. And it feels long ago, but also not that long ago in the same breath. It's so wild. Let's celebrate by going out for a cup of coffee and maybe some pastries. What do you think? Augustine, how? I don't think everyone will like that. Do I speak Afrikaans or just English? Sean, I can speak Afrikaans. I'm not good at it though. I am very much an Engels Macy, but I can speak Afrikaans and I can understand it. Can you please share what you do use for trends? What time frame do you use? Oh my gosh, Robert. I was reading like TF, like the duck, but with an F, and I was like, damn, you're being so aggressive. I'm so sorry. What time frames do I use for trends? Time frames to enter. So Robert, I get a lot of hate for this, but I do tend to stick on the 1 minute, but I do get confirmations and my bias from 5, 15, 1 hour, and 4 hour charts. But in general, my entries are on the 1 minute. And I get my confirmations. Again, depending, like this morning's loss, I should have looked, it tapped right here into a 1 hour fair value gap before it continued to the buy side. So I should have had a look at that. And this was actually the range I should have used this morning. There we go. As you can see, that actually would have been a great winning trade there. But it is what it is. Hey, there we go. Well, I say there we go. I don't know if that would have tagged me and that would have annoyed me. Let's see, this might go back up to VWAP. Oh, Augustine, thanks. Oh, Dom, yes, Merry Christmas, by the way, to anyone that does celebrate it. Does everyone celebrate Christmas? Does everyone like Christmas? Again, I'm sounding a little bit like a Grinch, but I'm like, Christmas, but whatever. Robert, I prefer scalping, 100%. Is it Zayon? Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What's up? How's it going? I'm trying to be more selective about like trades and stuff, so I might not take another trade today, which is not a bad thing. Right? Stick with your rules. But yeah, I'm a little South African. What's up? I nearly died, but we're okay. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to like the stream if you want to show some, well, extra love and support. You're more than welcome to use my affiliate code. It's Teachmaya, as you can see up above. And last thing, what was the last thing? I guess no real last thing. I guess that was it. Sorry. Oh, last thing is, if you guys do want to join the Discord, you are more than welcome to. Like I said, just don't be weird or else you will be kicked off of the group. But yeah. If you guys want to join the Discord server, here we go. More than welcome to. Oh, thank you. Yes, there is also Patreon if you guys want to join and support and help out even more. I know I have it set as a 24-hour Patreon, but there is also like a little bit of a membership where you can just buy treats for Perry and Finn every month. But yes, there is Patreon. The link is in the description below and it does pop up. It's just not the 24-hour Patreon. I think that was it. So that was 1, 2, 3 done. Done and dusted. Would this have hit my stop loss? I think it would have on the previous one. Let's quickly have a look-see. Bim. Bim. Oh no, it wouldn't have hit my stop loss yet. I'm low-key impressed. I would have thought that would have hit my stop loss. Okay, well, here, if I had been tagged in, I would have paid the duck. Would I have been tagged in though? Not so sure. Does look like it's headed for a W though. Can you tell me why South African traders on social media use so many orders? They do. Robert, what do you mean they use so many orders? Well, I'm beautiful, thank you. Greetings from Germany. Hey, how's Germany? And Prince America, what's up? Oh, there we go, there's the Patreon. You're also a trader? That is awesome. What do you trade? Kamal? What is your pick of your... I want to say what's your pick of your poison. That sounds bad, but you know what I mean. That does sound bad, doesn't it? Maybe I shouldn't call it that. Okay, let's go now. Follow that here. I low-key can't believe it's Monday. I think it's because it's going to be like a longer... Well, a short week because of Christmas and things. Tommy, what's up? Are you saying woof? Oh, I've had my entry already. Are you profit-making trade or loss-making? Varun, what a question. I am more profitable now. I'm not profitable yet, but I'm getting there slowly but surely. I am more profitable than I used to be. Maybe that's the better way of saying it. I am now... I'm reluctant to say break even because we do have more... Sorry, more profits than break evens, but I'm not profitable yet. So I'm still new, been trading since April. Hey Hector, what's up? It goes good. How you doing? How you doing? How's everyone been doing? Yeah, like I said, if anyone wants to support on Patreon, let Finn and Perry have some extra sweeties for Christmas. They will love that, literally. You guys can see Perry and Finn get all the freaking treats, the little spoiled brats. Adol, how much? Adol, are you asking how much money I made from the trade? Huh. Interesting, Sean. Yeah, that's the problem. I've heard... Unfortunately, South Africans don't have a great rep as traders. I think there's a lot of scams that go on with South African traders. That's why I try and make this as open and honest as possible. Because obviously I'm not here to scam you guys. I'm not here selling you things. You know, I ask for support, but that's about it. I'm not saying buy this and you're going to be profitable. I'm not here saying follow me and you're going to be profitable either. Please don't do that. I might actually ask you not to do that. Maybe do the opposite of what I do sometimes. How many times have you blown up your account till now? I've blown more than... Oh, Robert, definitely more than 4 times. Let me think. Let me think back to this. Especially in the beginning. This account, however, so I used to be with Tradeify. Since I moved to top 1, touch wood, I have not blown this account, which is absolutely wild for me. Okay, I have, again, touch wood, I have not blown this account, which is super exciting for me. Listen, I got close at a stage and I had to pick myself back up out of that. Oh, thanks, Bob. I really appreciate that. Last 2 weeks, tried use JP1 Euro USD. Not bad. I'm golden crypto trader. Oh, overdose indeed. That's interesting. And why did you want to try something else? 1 year enough to be a good trader. It depends on who you are. I've heard people say that they took 4 years. I've heard people say they took 6 months. I really think it all depends. What's your model? Oh, I use a GAN. A little GAN box. It's stupid simple actually, but it, you know, I like it. So I use a little GAN box and I use ICT and SMC confluences for my confirmations. Well, maybe a few more things, but then basically I use confluences, and when they add up, then that's confirmation that it's a good trade. How much have I earned weekend? What do you mean weekend? Future markets are not open over the weekend. Hey Hector, yes, I've heard I need to go check them out. Hey Deepak, what's up? I might have asked which prop firm you're using, or you're trading. Oh, so I am using a prop. I'm using Top 1 Futures. I am affiliated with them if you guys want to use my link to get percentage off. Anyways, moving on. Scammers would never trade live publicly, be it here on YouTube or behind a paywall. So yeah, I think you're good. Thanks, Sean. I mean, that's valid. And like I said, every trade I take is online. So there's no, I'm doing things low key or offline. Every single trade I take is online. Did I get some sun? You're looking all crispy. To be fair, down here you always freaking get sun. Oh my gosh, Bob. Oh, the sun down here is ridiculous. To be fair, I didn't even really get sun this weekend. Did I? No, I didn't. I got a little bit of sun when I went to the horses now, but otherwise... Oh. And it gets hot as hell here. But yeah, to be fair, I always kind of look like I get a little bit crippy cream. Sorry. My age? Adel, how old do you think I am? When volume in crypto and gold falls, it moves to stock and forex. I didn't want to miss out, so I tried to get some extra bucks for testing. Ooh, overdose indeed. And you said it wasn't actually bad? Blowing up many times, risk management is the key. Yeah, actually. Risk management, and I guess this falls into risk management. I want to say not over trading, like only taking your A+ setups. But technically, wouldn't that count as risk trading? Like you're not taking risky trades, so technically it's risk management. Like I said, this strategy went from a 40% win rate to a 63% win rate, all because I stopped just trying to take every single one I saw and had very specific rules that I now follow. And that's it. Done and dusted. The chlorine got her. Hey, Southpaw, what's up? How you doing? Mula, hi. Sean? 22? You think I look 22? Oh, thank you. What a compliment. I'm actually 27, guys. Sick, I took the short off the 5-minute order block into the inverse fair value gap. Nice. Well, here's mine. This was my trade earlier. So I know there's a lot going on here. I got the 5-minute order block orb. Not order block. I got the 5-minute orb. I got the first 9:30 a.m. candle. I got the first presented fair value gap. Yeah, I know there's a bunch. And I got my bob level. But it was a flipping good trade. So I'm super chuffed. And it technically was a 2.5 hour trade. Not bad, not bad. I'm great, you look refreshed from the 23 hours straight. Yeah. Listen, I'm not gonna lie, I slept a lot yesterday. A lot. It was a struggle to even wake up today. I was like, gotta get up, gotta be a productive human being. 4-3 buy, hold, just trail. Santosh, you in a buy? Hello, will I marry you? My P&L's in the green, even with 35% win rate after I understand RR. Ooh, Robert, what's your RR? Gala trend, there's a gap below. You think it's going to come back into the gap? Oh. There's a few gaps. I'm gonna... Sorry. That's the ADHD coming through. I'm playing with a lot of random things. I wanted to say something and now I completely forgot. So nice to know that this was the right idea. It may have missed tagging me in by either a tick or a flipping, whatchamacallit, spread. There we go. Not even a tick, by the spread. Okay, this is the bigger retest I was kind of waiting for, but maybe would have been a win. Would it have even gotten me in though? I don't know. Thanks, Only True Trader. Only True, you still on the new phone? How is the new phone, by the way? Also, how did your other one die? Just old age, or did it fall? I had it once where I opened my car door, my phone fell out my pocket, and then there it went. That was quite sad. That was very, very sad, but it's okay. Mula, you think 9:30 highs? You think it's now gonna go back up? I'm on my new one. Just battery. I'll charge it. Oh, cool. Okay. Damn, that's cool. Okay, okay. Only True Trader. Nice. But you're not on any trades right now, are you? Are you? Are you in any trades right now? I'm probably not going to take any more trades. If I'm being honest, let's not be a silly goose today. As much fun as it would be. Yeah, my could have been better, but I had a lovely swing from yesterday in New York Open to this New York Open. Ooh, what was your RR, by the way? I've been at home since early morning, just went shopping. Our neutral trader, what you been up to? No, I'm joking. Did you at least have fun doing whatever it was you were doing? And are you Christmas shopping? That must suck, by the way. Adult, thank you, I think. What's up? How's it going? Hey, Kalani, what's up? Chulani. Had fun, just tired. I can imagine. That's a long day to be busy doing things. Also, I can't shop for that long. I get exhausted. And there's only so many, or so much I tolerate of human beings. That felt like really bad English, but you know what I'm trying to say. Minimum 1 to 3 and trail according to market. Ah, see, I have a 1 to 2R, so a higher win rate is a little bit more necessary. To be fair, I do also leave 1 trail. Like, I guess this one I could have made it a little bit bigger. Let me just see what it's at. 2.32. I could have maybe gone all the way down there, so close, close to 2.6, but still. Yeah, close enough. But it worked out in me favor, so it's fine. It was about 1.68. But that's not, like, terrible. Sanu, my name is Maya. Hey there, Cash. On your work, would you mind me asking some stuff like... Cash, sure, I'm from South Africa. What's up? So formal. Are you good? We're now going back into the 5-minute. Okay, let's see what happens. Here's the perfect spot to try it for yourself. Robert, I just have... I would have to... Yeah. I would have to see how I could change up my strategy to make it a 1 to 3R. Oh, Chris, which... Oh, it's secret source. It's Bob levels. And they freaking respect the heck out of them. It's really annoying. If you go back, you'll see it kind of goes Bob level to Bob level all the time. Bob level to Bob level. Yeah, it's a bit ridiculous. But it's some secret source stuff. I can't give away the secret source. I could have gotten a better entry on the 1 minute. I just didn't want to risk the profits from yesterday's swing, so I waited for the 5-minute confirmation. Oh, but that's okay. As long as you're doing risk management, especially, I mean, this December price action's not ideal, right? It's not ideal. Rather, like you said, keep your profits going on, and then I'm assuming when the volatility goes up, we can start being mad lads again. It's a no news Monday. Why are you trading? Oh, hey, Jace Pace. Well, I mean, I had a win, so I'm trading for funsies. Feel like I'm getting lectured. Anyways. Hey, Amir, awesome. Can't wait to full port CPI. That sounds dangerous. When is CPI? Is CPI tomorrow? No. Is it? When is CPI? It's okay, you do you, buddy. Just don't be too weird or else the mods will remove you. Just saying. There we go, Bob level to Bob level. What the heck, man? Like I said, do you see this? Bob level to Bob level. I mean, obviously, like anything, it's not foolproof. Like here, you can see, obviously, it didn't tap Bob level. But, yeah, I essentially use Bob level as one of a confluence and low-key way to take TP. No news, aka safe. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What's up, JSpace? Am I saying that correct? Second week of Jan. Ooh. Ooh. Is Bob to Bob 221R? Take them. I mean, I guess it depends on where you enter. So let's, for example, say I had the initiative of, this looks good, let's enter at this level. Make it below here, give it some breathing room. Let's have, okay, yeah. So I moved it there. 4R. Yeah. I guess it depends on where you enter. But there would have been a 4R. I haven't played around enough with them, in all honesty. So I kind of use them as where I can take my TP. So with this trade here, so we have a look here. Right, so this was my trade. Do you see how technically my full TP should have been up here and I moved it lower to the bob level? I was a tad bit too late, but I did realize, oh damn, I could have moved it to BWAP. This is, not BWAP, NWOG. This is the NWOG over here. I could have moved it to NWOG, but I was, you know, rather safe than sorry. Sometimes I get close and then it goes, but yeah, then essentially I used bob level as TP. Adil, what about it? What don't you understand? Please tell me how many minutes you've been using the chart. Like today, Sonu? Oh my gosh, there's like a hair in my mouth. Okay, there we go. Nope, there we don't go. It's still there. There we go. That was annoying me. Moving on. Possible liquidity to get a tad more juice out of them. Exactly. That's literally, I use that. I've done it for a few. I go, okay, let's go bob level to bob level. Let's see what happens. But yeah, Sonu, explain, and what do you not understand about the trading strategy, Adel? I was gonna have to elaborate a little bit more because, Sonu, if you're asking in general, I've been trading since April. So I haven't even been trading for a year yet. But if you're asking today, I've been on for 2 hours. Yeah. I've been live for 2 hours. I'm gonna actually call it in like 10 minutes because, like I said, probably not gonna take another trade. So done for the day regardless. I'm up $225, which is pretty good. Oh, Dom, are you done? Oh, Adel, Adel, are you trying to look for signals? If you are, that's probably a bad idea, but this potentially now looks like we have changed to bull. I would say we have potentially changed to bull, especially if we're looking at ES now. ES is definitely stronger than NQ though. This is low-key why I'm hands off. I think this could do either way now. Thanks, Jose. Waiting for confirmation to open short on ES. Oh, JSpace, nice. I assume you're going down the funded route. I mean, that's the goal. It's restricted on quite a few firms. What are you currently using? Oh, Real. Can I just call you Real? So I'm currently using Top 1 Futures, but yeah, all the firms I'm affiliated with, you can see them in my description. They do also pop up above. All of them that I'm affiliated with are SA friendly as well. So there's what funding ticks, tick trader. Sorry, I'm gonna have to remember everything. But yes, I'm with Top 1 Futures, and I know funding ticks is also. I know they're changing some rules, so there's some question marks going around with regards to that one. I'm trying to be open and honest about it. But either way, if you do use any of them that are in my description below, feel free to use my affiliate code, TeachMaya, to get some discounts on them. Yeah, user JN7PL3 if you know. The sleep I'm gonna take today gonna be legendary. Hell yeah, okay. Nah, and just like that. Go away. Robert, neither. I'm probably actually done trading for the day, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna move things over slightly because I want to see how they respect this again, or if they have been mitigated. But I'm probably done for the day, I'm not gonna lie. It's always good to forward test and watch how the markets react at certain levels. You know, the more you learn, the better edge you have. Sorry, I got hiccups. But anyways, is anyone else in the trade? Hey Dennis, what's up? Do you have any premium group and do you share signals? If so, what are the charges? Oh, Dennis, no and no, sorry. Sorry, Dennis, I do not. Apologies. Yeah, where can I send my money? No, do not send money. Stop that. Don't send money. Bad idea. I've been using the session lows to get more juice, like London low and Asia low. I also found that sometimes they get front round, so I use the body bottoms and tops rather than the wicks. Ooh, interesting. What's Bitcoin future? Oh, there was a whole debate about that, sorry. Oh, thanks, Mel. Well, I'm not really wearing a dress, but I appreciate it. Hey, DK, what's up? Aw, thanks, Dennis. I appreciate it, but yeah, more than welcome to join. There is also a Discord group. I don't know if that means anything. No, Tanvi, I'm not a mentor. I've only been trading since April, a few months. I say that, nearly a year, but either way, I've not been trading long enough to be an expert at anything. Double top, do it again. Monster Marv. You really think so? I don't know. I don't know about that. Ugh, I mean... Let's see, there's an inverse fair value gap there as well. It might continue up into there and then go back down. ES looks like it wants to potentially start going heavy though. Tradeify, they've been treating me well. Yeah, I know Tradeify is good, but they're all quite like, you can't have an affiliate yet. I do have to try again though, but let's see. Oh, thanks, Jose. You're so sweet. Sure, Dennis, here we go. Oopsie. For anyone here that is potentially new, there is a Discord. Here's the link. I don't know if you can press on the link, sorry about that, but it is in the description below as well. If not, feel free to pop me an email and I can send it to you. That's also an option. Again, no being weird, please. We can ban. And just be aware that there is a fake Maya. There is a fake Maya Discord channel, so just make sure it's me. I don't know how to prove that it's me though, but yeah, just be aware. I will not ask you for money. If you guys want to show your appreciation, you can use my, like I said, you can use my affiliate code for any of the prop firms in the description below, or there's a Patreon. I don't know if you guys have seen the Patreon. You can use the Patreon to show support. But otherwise, yeah, if there is a Discord person that's asking for money, don't do it. That's not me. Okay, just putting it out there. Wait up, are you gonna teach us? No, Manny, see, this is not a I'm a teacher channel. Just came to stream, can you explain the logic behind the trade I took before? Maz, this one? Do you want to know this logic? Sure, I can show you. Before I go, so... give me a second, sorry. Let's just shrink that up slightly. So I use a GAN box, and the GAN box, there we go, looked like so. Okay, so 0.5 is my entry, 0.2 is my TP, you can see how it lines up with the green there, and I will explain these two now. So there were a bunch of things. So number one, VWAP was a little bit higher earlier. So there was VWAP, I had a shelf, I had a first presented fair value gap, and I had quote unquote the 9:30 a.m. range, so basically 9:30 opening price. So that's already 4 confluences to say that this most likely, not always obviously, but most likely will tap in before going back down. Does it always work like that? No, but I had more than 3 confluences, so it was an A+ setup for me, so I took it. 1-to-1, so I only put 2 contracts into this. 1-to-1, I took out 1 contract, so I paid the duck, if you will, so that even if it reversed there, it would have gone up. And at the 1 level. At the 1.1 is normally where I take TP2, but I'm playing around with the bob levels. So I had my TP a little bit lower, so it ended up being a 2.33 hour trade instead. I hope that kind of answered with regards to the logic thing. Oh, it did also break slightly below the 5-minute orb before retesting back in, which did kind of give a hint towards this is going to be to the sell side. Yeah, I hope that kind of answered those questions. Sorry. Very quick, brief explanation. Devanand, what happened? Hey, baby star, what's up? Okay, moving on. People who seek signals are people who believe trading is get rich quick thing, especially if you see the signal provider driving a Bugatti. You believe the signals will do that. Honestly, it's just people being lazy. That sounds bad, but it is what it is. Downward, okay. Thanks, I guess, okay. Oh, awesome, thanks, Jose. But, what do you call a cult thief? A burg. Skeletora, welcome. You're coming when I'm about to leave. What the heck, man? How much I done, Pips? Well, Adult today, technically I'm up. What's this? Huh. That was nearly a 90-point trade. I mean, that's not bad. Nice. Hey, what's up? Okay. I'm gonna call it there. I'm done. I took my winning trade. I had a little loss this morning, and now I'm in the green. I'm up $225. I'm not going to complain about that. So yeah, we winner chicken dinner. Paid the duck. So let's not be a silly goose and take another trade. So I'm gonna call it there. I'm trying to reset my sleep for a new job. Oh, interesting. Well, congrats on a new job, by the way, Skeletor. That's awesome. Oh, Akash, I'm about to hop off. No, you cannot, Dan. Don't be weird. Bro, it was negative 40s where I'm all weekend. I literally haven't left my house. Oh, which I know that's not okay. That is negative 40? That's not okay. I'm just saying. There's nothing okay about that. Yes, very good face. What a weird compliment, but I thank you. Anyways, why the market is bad right now? What is the main reason? Hassan, it's December. Price action just sucks. Is that what you're asking? Oh, thanks, Southpaw. You're amazing. I hope you have fun at work. I'm assuming you're still working. Are you taking leave? Oh, yeah, no, that no. Dan Raid, okay. You know what? I was gonna try and defend myself and be like, actually, I am this, but I actually don't want to defend myself, especially not to you, so it's fine. Anyways, I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining again. You guys are so awesome. I'm I'm gonna call it for today, be the last day before Christmas. So I will deal. Let's make it. Leave starts on the 24th. Ah, South Pole. Okay, so tomorrow. No, that's not tomorrow. That is tomorrow. That's not tomorrow. Where are we at? Cast no spell on me, Corvin. I make no promises. Anyways, moving on. Okay, I'm gonna call it that. We can 6:30 p.m. So it's still light out, but it's gonna get dark soon. Yeah. So yeah, evening time. So I need to actually go make dinner. Okay, but I love you guys madly. Yeah, like I said, if you want to use my affiliate code, more than welcome to. Everything is in the description below if you want to use the Patreon, show a little bit of support. That would also be amazing. And I think that's it. Yeah, you guys are just super, super awesome. I wouldn't be where I am right now if it weren't for you guys. I don't think I can stress that enough. I'll be more of a little bit of a sad sap tomorrow before Christmas because I'm gonna miss you. Okay, but I love you guys madly. Thanks for the support. Don't forget to press that like button. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow. Last day before Christmas. Okay, I love you. Bye. Wait, what am I doing?